This is Nick with the Truck Insurance Channel. Today I'm going to be going over a highly requested topic, which is UCR registration. Start off by visiting www.ucr.gov. Now when you reach the home page here, as you can see, you will have to accept and view the terms and conditions and privacy policy of the website. Now once you have done that, you'll go ahead and enter your DOT number. Once you put in your DOT number and hit submit, it will ask you to re-enter the US DOT number, confirming that the address, legal name, and DOT number entered is correct. So go ahead and put that in one more time, hit continue, and on the next screen here, you'll see on the left side, you'll see all of your business information, and then on the right side, it'll show that you aren't currently registered, so you'll have to click register now. Once you click register now, on the right side of the screen, you'll want to put in your first and last name. Once you put in your first and last name, click the box that says I agree, and hit continue. On this next step, we're talking about the classification of the type of carrier you are. Here, you'll want to click motor carrier, and then hit continue. Next up is choosing option A or option B when discussing your vehicles. So what this is the number of vehicles on the road. Option A is going to autofill from your authority application or your MCS 150. That's the option we're going to go with today. If you do have a situation where you must choose option B, you'll get a warning stating that you could be subject to an additional review and or audit. You'll just click OK and then manually put in the number of vehicles, then you'll click continue. In this example though, we're going to go with option A, and we're going to let that autofill from our authority application, then hit continue. Next, this is just saying, hey, did you include everything? Click yes, and then this is going to be your final screen. So on the final screen here, this is going to give you the option to put in billing info and your credit or debit card in order to pay the fee. You have different brackets that will determine what your fee is, 0 to 2 vehicles, 3 to 5. That's pretty much all there is to it. You'll put in that payment information and click continue, and your UCR registration is complete. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, we appreciate your continued support. If you have any additional questions, feel free to comment below, and have a great day. Thank you.